What if the hair removal product everyone is talking about isn't exactly what it seems? Renovia Hair Removal has been gaining attention online with bold promises of long-term hair reduction, smooth skin, and an easy-at-home solution, but after analyzing the product, its marketing claims, and customer feedback patterns, the overall picture appears more complicated than the advertisements suggest. The product heavily promotes the ingredient Cyperus rotundus as a natural breakthrough for reducing unwanted hair growth. Yet the available scientific evidence does not clearly support the dramatic results being advertised. Another concern is the use of a supposed expert figure, Dr. Sarah Reyes, who appears to have no verifiable professional presence, raising questions about the credibility of the authority being presented. The brand also shares an emotional founder story designed to build trust, but there is little independent information available to confirm those claims. Looking deeper, there are no publicly available product-specific clinical trials demonstrating that Renovia Hair Removal delivers the permanent or near-permanent results often implied in promotional materials. Many of the before and after images appear highly polished and may not accurately represent typical user experiences, while most testimonials are hosted directly on the company website, making it difficult to verify their authenticity. The product itself also resembles lower-cost alternatives available elsewhere, despite being sold at a significantly higher price point. Marketing tactics such as countdown timers, limited-time discounts, bundle offers, and urgency-based promotions are used extensively throughout the sales process. At the same time, customer experiences appear mixed, with some users reporting temporary improvements while others mention minimal results, refund difficulties, and concerns about misleading advertising. Based on the available information, Renovia Hair Removal does not appear to be an outright scam, but the evidence behind its biggest claims remains limited, meaning buyers should approach the product with realistic expectations and carefully evaluate the available facts before making a purchase decision.